Here at Riverbend Sandler Pools, we create lifetime pools for lifetime customers. Not only do we provide the new construction to the pool, but we also provide service and maintenance to the customers. We want to scale our business. We want to provide better customer service. We want to provide more streamlined means of communication to our customers, and overall take care of our customers from a high priority standpoint. Our technicians are certified as certified maintenance specialists through the Pool and Hot Tub Alliance. They are also consistently trained through Jandy, our Jandy manufacturer, as well as they are all employees of the company. They are W-2s and they complete a background and drug screen before working here. When Riverbend Sandler Pool technician visits your home, you can expect complete professionalism. They are uniformed, they have Riverbend Sandler company branded vehicles. You know who's in your backyard. State-of-the-art technology is important to us and customer communication is essential. With that, we utilize the Skimmer app, which allows streamlined communication between us and the customer consistently throughout each visit. Utilizing the Skimmer app, the technician is able to give a before and after photo of the pool itself after it's been cleaned. They're also able to show dosages, chemical usage, and basically communicate to the customer what we're doing on site. A customer can feel confident in choosing us for their pool service needs because we are nationally recognized as a top 50, not only a pool construction company, builder, but also a service and maintenance company in the nation.